Hi guys, welcome back to Forex Guides TV. I know it's been a minute guys, but it's just been hectic. But otherwise, let's get into the video. Oh, but before that, if you're new to this channel or if you just came back to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below and share this video with your friends, family, loved ones, the whole thing. So yeah, let's get into Forex Guides guys. So in today's video we'll be looking at EURUSD, USDZAR, NASDAQ and GJ guys. So let's get right into it. So in front of me guys, I have EURUSD, and as you can see, price is in a descending pattern guys. And for those of you who know, or if you don't know, I trade chart patterns a lot. That is my trading style guys. I trade chart patterns a lot, how they play out, how they behave, how they form guys. So yeah, currently guys, on EURUSD I'm looking for a buy all the way until the highs. That's what I'm looking at currently guys. And why am I saying I'm looking for this buy is because of this impulse here guys, this impulse here, because it bounced off the lows of the descending pattern, and I'm looking to trade within it until it completes, until these highs guys. So now let's get into the more deeper reason why I'll be looking to capitalize on these buys, and how I'm gonna basically trade the buy. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so let's move to H1, and I always take my entries on the H1 time frame guys. It works for me, yeah guys. So we have this impulse guys, and if you know the nature of the market guys, you know how the market behaves. So right now we're in a correction, which is also continuation pattern guys. So right now I'm looking for a buy. Usually I would buy right here because this pattern is complete. Let me just zoom in. Usually I would buy right here guys. I would put my pending order right here, stop loss just below my entry. Okay, this, what's going on? Okay, this is the wrong one. Let me just copy this. My entry right here, and then my take profit would be the 90% rule, which means it's gonna be this whole entire impulse to the upside. Yes, I'll be looking for buys all the way until this high, and then once price hits my TP, I'll wait for another pattern, another continuation pattern, whatever the market decides to give me, and then I'll look for a buy to the upside. I'll be looking for a buy to the upside all the way until these highs guys, all the way until these highs, all the way until those highs. So basically this is my buy setup for EURUSD. This is my buy setup for EURUSD. Now guys, remember, you can't be one-sided when you trade forex now. Being one-sided is a no-no. You have to look at structure, and let structure tell you the probabilities, and you come with your trading strategy or your trading style and try to exploit those probabilities, but according to the way structure is behaving and what the structure is showing you guys. That's why I like trading this chart pattern, because they tell me, or they allow me to see what's gonna happen in the market next. That's why I love these chart patterns. So going back to the H4, this is a descending type pattern, and I'm looking to trade within it until it completes until the highs, until it completes till the highs. That's the buy I'm looking for currently. And we looked at 1 hour time frame why we're looking for a buy, because there's this impulse, then there's this continuation pattern, and then we'll be looking for the buy. And I also said, guys, forex is not one-sided, so you shouldn't be, should have possibilities. This is a downtrend, guys. This is a downtrend. As you can see, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and so forth and so on. So as you can see, guys, remember, impulse, and there's a continuation pattern here. If you know the nature of the market, guys, the nature's theory, the way the market behaves, impulse, continuation pattern, and I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell as well. Looking for a sell as well. So let me just analyze the sell, and then we'll try and see if everything can put it together, guys. So since this is a downtrend, guys, and I also see here it's also another continuation pattern, and it's the same continuation pattern that is here. This is a bullish one, and the outer one here is a bearish one, and the main trend is bearish. So we'll just see what is happening. Let me just remove this. Okay, all right. As I said, this is also one of the patterns I also trade. Right, so as you can see now, guys, as you can see now, I said I'm looking for a buy, but the outer trend is a downtrend, from looking at this, looking at this, the trend is a downtrend, and looking at this is a continuation pattern for the sell, which means the downtrend is going to continue here. So guys, for that buy, remember, I'm going to take this buy on the lower time frame, which is H1. For that buy, guys, I might be looking for a short-term buy all the way until this high, all the way until this high, all the way until this high. And once price gets here, I'll be looking for the sell. Why am I looking for the sell? Let's go back to H4 just to see everything, just to see the bigger picture, guys, because eventually this is a downtrend, and this is also one of my continuation patterns. And what also would confirm this sell, guys, it's when it completes here, because why? This is the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, guys. So here you see we have quite a bit of sell confluence, guys. The downtrend, the continuation pattern, and the third touch, So let me just change this. There is a probability as well that price might just go a bit higher. Remember when I said I was looking for the buy, guys? I said I'm looking for buy all the way until the high of the descending outer pattern, and I'm looking to trade the 90% rule this leg. So price might go all the way until this high and come here, guys, which is also good. Instead of 1 2 3, it's just gonna be 1 2, but this is also fine because this is also one of the patterns I trade. It just expanded a bit bigger, which is fine as well. So I'll also be looking for the sells as well, guys. But if it does continue to go to create higher highs, guys, and continue giving me all these patterns, guys, I'll look for buys. And stick to the buy setup opportunity which I planned for, guys. So those are my two scenarios for Euro USD, the sell and the buy. So now I know what to look for, guys. It's very important for you to have your trading plan and to have to see what can I say, to have different probabilities. Yes, to have different probabilities of the market, guys, and not just one tunnel vision when it comes to the forex market. So yeah, guys, now let's just move on to the next pair, which is GBPJPY. Let me just remove this so that I can explain it later. So guys, with GBPJPY, I was actually looking for the sell. In the previous weeks I was looking for sells for price to come here, because let me go to the daily. The daily, yes, there we go, guys. Let me remove this and explain it. Remember, guys, I trade chart patterns along with the market behavior and the nature of the market, guys. So if you know impulse, continuation, impulse, give me continuation. So what I'm anticipating here, guys, is a buy to the upside. And that's one thing I like about my trading style, guys. It tells me where the market is gonna go and helps me see trading opportunities and probabilities. I don't use indicators, guys. My trading style is very simple. It's not complicated, it's very simple. And if there's nothing in the market, I don't do anything, guys. There's no reason for me to be in the market. So yeah, currently the focus right now is this correction here. This is the correction. I'm looking to trade within it, guys, and wait for it to complete before continuing with another trade setup. So as I said previously, the market was here. Previously the market did this. It was here. Before this could happen. So I was looking for sells. Here until this low. But however, guys, the market plays out how it wants to. No one controls the market. It plays how it wants to. All you can do is just have your trading plan and hope for the best. That's all you can do. But the market will play out most of the time, guys. most of the time. If you are patient, the market will reward you. So yes, now all I did, guys, was just to adjust a bit. Adjust price a bit so that it caters to the current structure or pattern that is happening. So looking at this, guys, I'm still looking for my sells, because look at this huge bearish candle. Broke the previous low in the previous broke the previous low, and it's aggressive. You can see it's aggressive. And as well, guys, if I move to H1, if you look closely, you can see or no, man, there is a bearish reversal pattern here. Bearish reversal pattern here. So the outer pattern on the daily is an idea of okay, where the market is gonna go. Because remember, guys, I said I trade patterns and how they behave. So the behavior of the pattern tells me, and the structure of the market as well tells me. So about that, let's just get back to the lesson. Yeah, I said the behavior and the structure of the market tells me what's most likely to happen, and all I have to do is wait and trade those opportunities. So this is a reversal pattern, bearish reversal pattern, and it completed because of first touch, second touch, and here we have the third touch. That's why I'm looking for sells, guys. I'm looking for sells. So H4 is confirming, daily is confirming. I'm looking for sells, guys, and I'm waiting for this pattern, the outer daily pattern, to complete until this lows. Why is that? Let's move to the H4 instead. Why is that? Why am I looking for sells all the way until this low? One, because I'm waiting for this pattern to complete, and because I'm waiting for first touch, second touch, and the third touch. And then, guys, once this pattern completes, I'll be looking for buys at the lows. Guys. So this is what I like about my trading style, guys. It's long term as well. I can anticipate long term movements that are going to happen in the market. So I have my trading plan once, and then I just wait. That's why it took me this long to do a video, guys, because I was just basically waiting for the market. But I'll try and update just the trades I take. If I do have losses, I'll post losses. If I have wins, we'll post wins, and just updates here and there. So that's it for GJ, guys. GJ, I'm only looking for sells, and my entries are going to be on H1, on the H1 time frame. So this sells, guys, might take a while to happen, because we don't know if the market will shoot straight down, or market might do its thing, form patterns while it's going down, form patterns until it reaches this low. So yeah, guys, that's my GBPJPY analysis for this week, and probably for the next 2 to 3 weeks. We'll just see how the market plays out, and if the market will respect our analysis. So let's move on to USDZAR. So guys, with USDZAR, I've just been looking for buys. USDZAR, I've just been looking for buys throughout. I've just been looking for buys. Let me move to H4. And the reason why I'm looking for buys, I'm waiting for price to complete this pattern as well, this outer pattern. As you can see, this is a reversal pattern. It's a descending structure, guys, which indicates that eventually price is supposed to break out and go all the way to the upside. That's what this pattern indicates. Eventually price is supposed to break out and go all the way to the upside, but before that it has to complete within it, guys, within it, before it plays out, because this is just the outer pattern, and now we're looking to trade within it. So let me move back to H1 time frame, and as you can see as well, I have another one of my lovely patterns which I love trading. This one, this indicates bullish continuation, so I'm looking to catch buys all the way until this high. Because why? Because of this impulse up, looking to catch buys, all the way until the upside, guys. So at the current moment, let me just get rid of this so that does not confuse us. At the current moment here, guys, yeah, price did go up, but you see, nothing's really happening here. Nothing's really happening as yet here, guys. Nothing is really happening here. So I'll just wait for a clear confirmation, or it might be forming a pattern. I don't know. We'll see and wait for the market to tell us what is going on. So another thing is price might go to these lows, guys. Price might go to the lows here. Price might just go to to the lows here, guys, which means I'll also look for a buy at these lows. Why would I be looking for a buy at these lows? Okay, let me show you guys. Why do I say I'll also look for a buy at these lows? Let me just get rid of this outer circle here. Why would I say, let me switch to H4 so that it's much clearer. Why would I say I'll look for, should price go down, why will I look for buys at this low? Because there's the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, guys. That's why I'll be looking for the buy at these lows. But currently I'm looking for buys here. But if the buys don't come here and price goes to these lows, you see why I'll be looking for buys at these lows, guys. So yeah, like I said, you must just have different type of probabilities when it comes to the market, and let structure tell you what's gonna happen next. I won't be looking for this sell. No, I'm not gonna try and look for this sell. Let me just go to H1. I won't be looking for this sell, even though it seems okay. It might give me a nice trading opportunity, but guys, nah, it's not what I want. It's not what I want. It's not what I want. I want the buys. I want the buys. Sometimes, guys, you just need to be disciplined and tell yourself that no, the market must give me what I want, because most of the time, if the market gives you exactly what you want, there's a higher probability of you making money there. So yeah, guys, that's why I'll say I'll wait for the market to give me what I want. So that's it for USDZAR, guys. Pretty straightforward and simple. If you guys see it in a different way or different view, but we're looking for the same thing, which is also fine, guys, because this is just my view on how I see the market and the kind of trades and possibilities I'm looking for. So the last one is NASDAQ. Yes, guys, NASDAQ, guys. I haven't been trading NASDAQ for the longest time because honestly, when I had this, if you check on the previous videos, I had something like this. And I was looking for price to give me buys when it gets to this low. But that didn't happen, guys. That didn't happen. So I had to adjust with the market. What am I doing here? Okay, I just had to adjust, guys. I just had to adjust with the market and do what is called pattern separation, guys, where I identify each and every pattern individually so that I can get the broader view and bigger perspective of what's happening in the market. So yeah, guys, so I looked at the market and decided, no man, what is structure telling me? And if you know the nature's theory, guys, you know how the market plays out, how structure plays out. So I saw this impulse, bearish impulse. I'm like, okay, no, usually after an impulse I look for continuation, no matter if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. I look for continuation in the direction of the previous impulse. So I'm like, okay, here I see there's a bearish impulse. Let me see if there's continuation or not. And if there's continuation, then that will confirm or no, the previous impulse will continue to the downside. So let me look for entries. And my entries, guys, I look for them where? On H1 time frame. And as you can see, guys, things became clearer. Things became clearer for me. Here is my one of the continuation patterns I love to trade. I trade. Here it is. And initially, this move, this continuation pattern, I was looking to trade. Let me just do this. Let me just get this impulse. I was looking to trade. I was in this trade, but I got stopped out. I was looking to trade this impulse. Let me just get rid of this as well, so that we mustn't get confused. I was looking to trade this impulse here all the way to the downside, guys. You see this blue? Yeah, I was looking to trade this impulse all the way to the downside. However, price kicked me out, kicked me out with profits, fine. And what do we have here? The same pattern again, guys. The same pattern again, guys. So since I know how this pattern behaves and how it plays out, I'm now looking for, I'm actually in this cell. Let me just get this. I'm actually in this cell, guys, and I have secured profits. I've locked in profits, good profits, in fact, good profits, and I'm looking to my take profit is right about, my take profit is here. Let's do that. Let's adjust this properly. Let's get rid of this now. See, guys, my take profit is here, and I'm already in the cell, guys. I'm already in the cell, and I locked my profits somewhere around here. That's where I locked in my profits, somewhere around here. Is it here or here? Somewhere around this here. Yeah, I think it's here, somewhere around here, just to give the market some space for in case it decides maybe to, you know, give me another pattern, or just to go and retest this previous low. But I'll still look for sales. I'll still look for sales, because here it was another trading opportunity for me, for in case I missed my entries here at the beginning of this move. So price went down, went to retest. This is also an entry here, but I didn't take it because I was not in front of the charts at the time. But it's also fine, as long as I'm eating from the market and capitalizing. That's all that matters. So because this this is the initial impulse I wanted to trade for this continuation pattern here. I'm just going to extend it a bit. Let me just remove this. And I hope you guys are following and understanding and just seeing how I view the market. So yeah, I see. So I'm still gonna be looking for sales, guys. I'm gonna be looking for sales all the way until the downside, all the way until there's, let me just go to H4 and show you guys. I think it's better if I show you. Yeah, I'm looking for sales all the way until these lows right here, and I'll see what happens when price gets here. That's why I'm looking for sales, guys. I'm looking for sales all the way until these lows. So when price hits my take profit, let me just get rid of this. Let's move back to H1. When price hits my take profit, which is here, I'm gonna look for more continuation patterns, because this sell is already confirmed by these moves, these corrections. That's why my bias is only sells. I look at what the market is doing, what structures or patterns it's forming, and I'm gonna look for my entries, because they confirm the direction of the overall trend, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you got to see how I view the market, and I hope you got to take a few things here and there from there and get to compare your nodes and stuff like that, guys. So yeah, this is Forex Guides TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell, share this video with your friends, family, your loved ones, and I hope you guys have blessed trading week, and let's push P, guys, push profits for until the next time. And I'll try uploading more videos as much as possible. If not the trades that I take, it will be videos of how the market played out from our setups, and what we could also look forward to, or how we can adjust, and things like that. So until next time, guys, Forex Guides TV, peace.